It's okay, it's only a camera. You're going to move forward and let the Joey eat some bread? Joey's pulled her head in entirely. That earlier vocalisation was because Fruit Loop's over there. And Cindy, the second kangaroo to eat bread, doesn't like being pushed by swamp wallabies. No, Joey's definitely gone inside to have a bit of milk. Yes, you're a good little girl, aren't you? Only takes one bird to make one frightening little flutter, and she runs away. And here we have Charlie the currawong. And the chuck. How about you, Bobby Bowerbird? What do you think about it? There you go, you can have a lot of fun with a couple of bits of bread, can't you?